today I'm going to be doing another Graze unboxing video with you guys. I'm not sure which month this one belonged to. I did postpone this box for a few months because I will be traveling quite a bit coming up. So this is probably the last one for a little bit anyway. Oh, this actually has some that I haven't had before, which I'm really excited about. So that's what the inside of the box looks like. On the top layer, we have the protein peanut butter with pretzel sticks dippers. I don't typically like the peanut butter because it's natural peanut butter. So I have had that one before. And sweet chili burst. Chili lime cashews and chili honey peanuts. I don't know if I've had this. I feel like I have because it looks familiar, but the name doesn't sound familiar. Okay, so this one is new to me. I have not had this before. This is the lemon drizzle flapjack. I'm so excited about this. Rustic rolled oat flapjack with zesty lemon and yogurt drizzle. That sounds so good. And finally, something I haven't tried. The Handmade cocoa cookies. I don't really care for black tea, but I would give it a try. Now to the bottom layer. On the bottom layer we have the Thai style sweet chili. Has honey, chili peanuts, lemon and black pepper, fava beans, garlic, sesame sticks, and edamame beans. I don't know, that looks kind of good. I might enjoy that. Have I tried this one before? Actually, I think I have. I don't remember what I thought of it though. The peach cobbler, this is peach fruit drops, almonds, yogurt seeds, and amaretti drops. This one's okay. Yeah, this one's fine. I've had this one before. So two more. I have the sweet Memphis barbecue. I feel like I've had this before even though it says new. Barbecue peas, salsa peanuts, and wild rice sticks. I swear I've tried this before. It's not my favorite, but it's okay. And then I have more cookies. Oh, these are kind of broken. These are broken cookies. This is handmade lemon almond cookies. That sounds kind of good. And black tea. So they're kind of broken though. That's all right. So those are all 8 of the snacks that I got in my Graze snack subscription. If you guys have tried any of these, let me know down below what your thoughts are on them. Did you like them? Did you not like them? Or if you've tried this and you have favorites, let me know what your favorites are. I'm very interested to know. Well, thank you for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye.